have a lot to keep an eye on today with weather. Let's send things over to our Kristen McEnany with more on these storms that are knocking on our door.
Yeah, that's right. They are moving into the western side of the state right now. We're only going to see things turn more active as we head later on into the afternoon. We have those overcast skies back here in Greenfield where the temperature is quite warm. We're at 82 degrees. It's also feeling rather humid outside. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in place across much of central Indiana. That does include Indianapolis here in Marion County. This goes until 6 o'clock this evening. The main concern is going to be a damaging wind threat, but wouldn't rule out some large hail or some rotating storms. This is a storm line that we're watching that is now moving into the far western side of the state. Plenty more rain to come behind what we're seeing nearby, and this will stick with us as we head into the afternoon and into the evening hours. Again, those main threats, damaging wind, but wouldn't rule out rotating storms or hail. So make sure you have ways to get alerts as you're out and about today or even while you're at home so you can make sure that you're in your safe spot. This is Futurecast taking us on into 4 p.m. So kids coming home from the bus stop, or if you're starting your commute home early today, we will see showers and storms across much of the area around this time, and this continues on through the evening hours. This takes us to 6 o'clock this evening. Still looking rather wet. We'll have some pockets of heavy downpours in there too. I'd say past 8 o'clock, the severe weather threat is winding down, but we'll still keep plenty of rainfall around central Indiana with a few thunderstorms around, and then we'll start to see these chances of rain decreasing as we head into the overnight hours, turning much more spotty by early tomorrow morning. It is warm outside. We're at 82 degrees now in Indianapolis. 84 is where we are in Kokomo, and 84 in Shelbyville. If you were heading out to the IMS today, do plan on the chance that the rain will be moving in as we get later into the afternoon. We'll hover with temperatures in those low 80s for the next few hours, and once we get that rain going, that'll cool temperatures down into the upper 70s by the early evening hours. As we head towards 9 o'clock, we're into the lower 70s, through midnight, and that's where we'll start off tomorrow morning with temperatures upper 60s and lower 70s for your Tuesday. More rain back in the forecast as we head into Tuesday afternoon and evening with the severe thunderstorm. The Storm Prediction Center outlooking us under that slight risk for severe weather for tomorrow as well. For that timing, it's going to be primarily on into the late afternoon and evening hours. I think we'll have many dry hours as we start Tuesday morning off on into the afternoon. A few spotty showers possible early, but that activity starts to ramp up as we get towards that evening commute. This is 5 p.m. tomorrow, and it'll see more activity as we head through the evening tomorrow night. This takes us to 9 o'clock tomorrow evening, and then those showers start to pull away as we head into very early Wednesday morning, and we'll bring back more sunshine as we head into Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures are certainly going to see some ups and downs these next few days, and it is humid out there. These dew point temperatures have risen about 6 degrees from where they were early this morning. It is feeling very muggy outside, and we're going to keep this muggy air around today and tomorrow. A cold front passes on Wednesday, and that's where we're going to see this humidity away. These dew point temperatures drop. We like to see them below 60, and they'll go well below that as we head into Thursday and Friday of this week before that humidity starts to surge again as we get into the weekend. With that drop in humidity, a drop in temperatures too, will shift to below average levels for high temperatures as we head on through the middle and late part of the week, and then we'll see another spike in temperatures again as we get into the weekend. Of course, we're very closely watching the holiday weekend forecast. We have a race weekend as well, so everybody wants to know what's the weather going to look like on Sunday. Well, until we get there, some rain and showers around this afternoon and evening on into tomorrow. Showers and storms around primarily during the late afternoon through the evening hours, and then those depart very early Wednesday morning. High of 69 on Wednesday with more sunshine into the afternoon. Thursday looks fantastic. 68 is below average, but a very comfortable day with sunshine around. High of 68 on Thursday, same on Friday, and we're back into the 70s on Saturday. We'll see scattered showers around on Friday and Saturday. Sunday does come with a rain chance for race day. Not a washout kind of day, but there will be some periods of rain and storms around. That's something we'll watch closely as we get closer to that date. Anna?